All right, good morning, everyone. Okay, let's go over the largest time frame. We are inside the narrowest range of the last 7 trading days, that's for sure. We got the Bart Simpson top. Now, where do we go? What do we do with these levels here? This level here. And then the trend line. We're stuck right at it. We're inside narrow range, so we're going to use the Keltner channels 20, 2.5, and 0 on the 2-minute chart. 20, 2.5, and 0 on the 2-minute chart. Okay, that's the daily. Going to the 4-hour. Okay, we came back into this breaker block. Now what? Well, it's an order block now, right?
Blue bar, 1-minute chart.
6598 is the open of this bar. We want to watch that 6598. Time to kick some booty today. Ah. I'm trying to figure something out on my chart. Hold on a second here, guys. I'm scrolling up. I'm scrolling up. Hold on. I'm trying to get it right here. What? So tell me how I look the same. Oh, color bars. Oh, Joey. All right, we got 23 minutes till the open. We just dropped into the next little level here. If you look, your 15-minute is on sell. Yes, yes. It needs to drop dramatically because you got to get the VWAP. You got to get the VWAP to stay below. Oh, excuse me. I'm looking at the wrong chart. Your 5-minute is bearish. Your 15-minute needs a lot of work on the bear side. 98 stay over under. Bye, Joey. I think I got it. Oh, I can just turn it off. I see. Yo. Big volume here. They got him. Wow, what a move. Okay, Joey. I think we're on to something here. Yeah, this price action is not for the weak. All right, good morning, everyone. Do we continue to roll over? Was this all just a bluff, right? So here's how we need to think about this. We're rolling over. Do we get the 20 below the 200? Does the 200 actually turn down? Let me fix those levels. On the 4-hour. Down, down, dirty, dirty, down, down, dogs. Down, down, down. 1 hour. Neutral, right? Down, neutral, right? 15-minute. Okay, we're stuck at 6593.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
You've got a shelf. I am green already. I am green 28, 20, just under 2,800 from that one trade. That was a monster. All right, so what we're waiting for, right? So we have the 2-minute, we have the 2-minute in position 1 down. Everything is down. So we need a reset, right? Because we're away from the VWAP, the 200. The 20 and the 8 are away from the VWAP, the 200. If you're still short, there's a target of about 75s. They got close. And so what I'm waiting to do is on the edges of the range, we're waiting to scalp. And there's no reason to trade if we don't have to, okay? So let's take a barometer here. Okay, the 15-minute is sitting at its 200 simple. So it's really hard to say short here, right? All right, great job, Tyson. $68 if this slides on the 2-minute chart. $97, it hit its head. Only problem is your VWAP is above the 200 simple on your 15-minute. We would want that below it. So I'm one contract. All right, 3.5 minutes till the opening bell. We're right on support. So this trade, you know, I would have loved to have been in the other trades that pushed this. Oh, like this one right here. 15 seconds. There's a guy trying to buy here. Let's see if he's right. Or if he gets smoked. Delta's rising, but we're below the VWAP. But below the VPOC. Which one wins? Lots of buying through here, but is there supply? They're buying. Oh no. Hmm. You got buy after buy after buy on the 1 minute. Let's see if they get them. This account probably won't make it through this fucking trade. Oh my god. They're going to hold it over OOs or they're going to dump it, one or the other. I took a little scalp from O2. There we go. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. I took a little scalp from O2. Let's go. For a couple points. Okay, the first gap, I'm looking for the first gap, right? 93.50. You guys see it on the tape? Okay, and then the next little bar down below that. Okay, and then 81. And all I did was a foot sweep, a leg sweep. That's it. Leg sweep is a stop, is the add at the stop out level, right? Okay, there's one add out. I got two left. I got 2 out of 4 left. I added a 99 and O2. O2 after I saw the tape turning down. And welcome, those of you that are new. You guys have some great questions over in Discord. We'll get to that stuff in a little bit. I like that, Tyson. Yeah, you want to be with the momentum of the aggressive trader. I like that. Aggressive seller on the delta. Okay, 2 minute is down, 5 minute is down, 15 minute has a lot of work. It's got to go like 68s to 60s to get down. Okay. 2 left. We got our 93s out. 2 left. Now we're starting to crush it. $90 quart. And 81. $81. 68. 81.7268. Okay, we're right in the external liquidity on the 1 minute. Big decision here at 77 or 87. Crack it. Let's go. Okay, you got a 2 minute sell, 88.50. Did you guys hear it say order blue bar 2 minute? If you didn't, let me know, because it's supposed to say blue bar 2 minute. Yeah, 81.78. I'm listening to whatever this song is. It's the perfect song for this down move. It's all dun, 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 dun. In like some lower key notes, I'm trying to think of what kind of music this is. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Like industrial techno, hardcore. Come on, 01. 01's out. 78.50 out. Big move. Big trade for the good guys. I'm flat. 74.50, 68s. 74.50, 68s. You had the leg sweep on your 15-minute crush soul. Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. Boom. 74.50 out. Let's go. Oh, look at there's a guy. Who's the guy that trades late at night? He's even worse than that. He's on like 500 PAs. Yeah, that was perfect. I'm all out, guys. Okay, let them trap. Let them do their thing. We hit lower Keltner. Skibooing. And now we wait. I am up 17 plus 27, 44. So what is that, 85 points? Let's wait for the next move. Let's go, Nick. But here's the deal, Bill. Here's the deal. The payouts, once you figure it out, they pay it back in a month. That's right. Yeah, just wait for the next setup, Nick. Oh, I missed it. 83.25. 78.50 target. Nope, I might have been too late. Ooh, 78.50 target. Add order 88. Target 84. Two-minute has a leg sweep as well, or a trade going on as well at 88.50. Did I miss it? No. Wait, do I have it? Is that the wrong one? I think I have the wrong one. Okay. Target is 78.50. $90, 83.25. That's what it is. Okay, good. $86 at the sell to 81. That's not going to give it to me. I missed it. I missed it. 86 is a sell to 81. Ah, cancel that. Oh, no, I missed it. No. I'm going to go cry in the car. No. Flat. I'm going to go cry in the car. Oh, he going to go cry in the car. All right, that was good for another 800. All out. First target, all out. I missed 86. I missed 83.25. Yeah, whoops. Blamp, 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 blamp. Everything is down besides the 15-minute seller at 80. I'm all out of contractios, traders. Anyone get the 86 on the Vuno Momento Poor Faves? Hey, you got some big bids below brewing. Feel like it's Sim. Push the button. I just cleaned my poker chips while I was waiting for this trade. I missed it. Oh, 76 is your target. Oh. Missed it. A slow bastard. Wow, 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 wow. Who's got the itchy trigger finger? I dare you to walk away. Can he do it, folks? Can he walk away? I'm gonna go touch grass. We just crushed it for 25 hundo in my eval. Let's go.
Pink bar, 10 range chart. Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Okay, you have a yellow on blue on a successful yellow on 10 range. All right, so what does that look like on Joey's chart? Wow, that is an ugly chart on the 10 range. TV. That look at the gaps. Look at how many gaps there are. ES doesn't gap like that. Just so you guys know, it doesn't do that, right? So see all the information that's missing. Joey, are you seeing this?
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Ripping. Look at that yellow. Just say, hey, stop. Look at that. It said stop selling. Look at that at 81. Look at that. all the way to the 97s. Look at that. Now notice I didn't go long. Okay, because I'm below the VWAP. VWAP on the 2 minute is below the 200. There was a huge offer up there that had to get filled. Oh, it was 1,000 contracts at 98. When we're narrow range, first targets are a wonderful thing, right? A big buyer up there. They liquidated him, or they were happy for his lick. I mean to say. $98 over under. Oh, 94 as well. Pine Tree Trader, Bill Roberts.
Blue bar alert.
Careful. You have a 1 minute and 2 minute buy signal at the same time, but we'll counter trend into a break, into a order or a breaker block, a plausible breaker block, which would be the neckline, right? If this is an inverted head and shoulders, this is the neckline. You see it? Deuce, deuce. Betting that it goes to the other side of this block does not work for me as well, so I'm going to hold off. I do see that we have an Eve Adam bottom forming. I do see it. I do see it. We also have a complex Eve Adam Eve, right? So this will be Adam Eve Adam Eve, right? And then it could also just turn right back down. I'm not taking this long into the breaker block, order block, breaker block, break my fucking face block. It's hard. Okay, so yes. All right, so the exchange. So here's where all of you are right and wrong, right? So if we're talking about, let's talk about the exchange between Nick and Martin and Rob, right? Here's the hard part. Okay, here it comes, right? Here it comes. What you have to do is it's just another trade that is on the side of probability. Okay, now removing the money is okay. You have to treat it like it's sim and real. Okay, that's what I meant. This is the hard part, okay? Because if you treat it like it's real, you have a certain scope on your lens, a lens that you see through. If you treat it like it's sim, you have a certain lens that you treat the information through. Okay? So it's a fine balance where what we want to do is we want to get enough information that proves to us that it's not the saber-toothed tiger, right? So the first way that we do that is now look, you're like, oh, look, Rev didn't take that long. Yeah, you're not seeing that the 20 actually turned red as this pushed through. Okay. It just tells me that I can't go short. So one of the first things that we do is we have you, right, is we have you, there's a certain way that I have you stop thinking about money in the equation. Okay, and then here's what's cool. There's a different way I have you stop thinking about money in the equation. Okay, I don't want you getting too used to one side. But now here's the deal. You have to use the simulator as a tool, not a game. Otherwise, none of this works. Right? Now, how come I didn't take any of these longs? Because all we did was just come back to the VWAP. Show me a reload of them shorting it. What we have to do is we have to get enough information using the simulator that proves that if I push this button 10,000 times, a saber-toothed tiger is not going to come out dressed as what's the Candyman, right? If this would have been a yellow bar that was not as big, I'd be long. It's not, and it is not yellow, and it is big. I am not in. I am not in any sort of long here, folks. If you're wondering what am I doing, nothing. I'm kicking it like a Van Damme flick. Oh, 475 is the over-under. 2-minute chart, 2-minute Joey spread. Oh.
Order filled. Order submitted.
He bought 1,143 times at 10. Was that absorption?
Order submitted.
They absorbed him up there at 10s. They got him.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Nope.
Order canceled.
That was fucking stupid. Why the fuck did I do that? That was the fucking sell point. Are you? Yeah, deserve that loss. That was fucking dumb. That was. Don't ever fucking do that again. Huh. That was dumb. And then at 0250 it said fucking sell. Now it's gonna go straight up after it stopped me. That was fucking dumb. Look at him sweeping the leg of yellow. Wait, did they get it? Ooh, one ticked him of pink. Yeah, that was terrible. I deserve that fucking minus 1600.
Order filled.
A 1 minute reversal. 1106. 1106. He's like, wait about what about me? Hmm. We're selling.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
It just bounced 92s. We don't get over 97. This 97 to OOs. This thing's going to keep leaning. $94.50 over under. It's the block on the 2-minute chart. Look at your delta. They own it all, but can they stop getting absorbed, right? They own them. Look at the delta. Holy shit. They're trying to get traction. So think about this. It's imagine standing on a big deck of cards and you start running, right? And you take your first step and the first card runs off. You take your second step and the second card runs off, right? Right, and by the time you get to the bottom of the deck, which is 06, how many cards, by the time you get to 06, how many cards do you have left? Right? Think about that. Okay, so think about this as even though you see the delta ripping higher, right? That doesn't mean price is going to go up. It has to make it go up, if that makes sense. And then in this case, we have 1,143 offered at 06. Oh, there's your look at your 10 range. Lower, high or low? Do they make a higher high? T2's 045s. He wants to sell that VWAP again, folks. He wants to sell that VWAP. Do they give it to him? And if they do, does it go straight through him? Okay, top of the block. Here we go. Decision point right here. At 0175. Oh yeah, look at it stop right at 0175. Okay, so now how many stops are above that? How many limit orders are above that? How many limit orders are right before that? Those are the kind of things that I think of, right? Yeah, look at the battle. Look at the battle. Look at the battle. There we go. Battle it up, boys. Remember the tape above us. 10s. The whole world sees it. They know that, right? And then we need to wait for them to fire the next large offer off, right? Okay, that offer's gone. Where do they put it next? Watch 40. And that 1 minute engulfing long stopped me out right at the bottom. I could have swept the leg on the 1 minute chart, and it would have done very, very nice. Okay, so far they're selling the VWAP.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart. Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Okay, well, on the 5 minute, we're in external liquidity. So the 1 minute, I got to be real careful on the 1 minute and the 10 range. Oh fives on Joey. 10 range. Is the ceiling. And all the way down to 83. Damn. Come on, smack this sell bar. We've closed over 0175 twice. Is that the sellers coming in? Or is it weak resistance now? 0175.
Pink bar,
This
5
is
minute
really
chart.
trash. You guys see this, right?
Order submitted. Oh, 175 over under. Still a whole nother minute before this bar can close above it. That's way too long.
30-second.
Pink bar, 10.
Target filled.
One left. For 40. You guys see it on the 15-minute, right? You see the little gap up here? Oh, 06 is out. Five-minute told us, get long. You guys see it, right? I want to make sure you guys see this
Pink
big,
bar,
huge
1 minute
fucking
chart.
pink fucking dildo sticking out of this thing right here that says, if you go short, I'm going to punch you in your dick. Wasn't someone just talking about the delta, Tyson? Elephant bars in the delta? Now, if they break quickly, right, then it'll be a sell. But right now, it does look like they're accumulating. There is one R 950. I had a 6 target. That's why I didn't change it. Okay. Oh, 175. Still your over under, guys. They cannot, they're struggling. Every time they close it above it, it struggles, right? Then they have to go back inside that little box there. 0475.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Mm. $11.25. That means it'll pierce VAH. Anyone stay long 2 minute and just absorb and just collect? If you did, you've got a huge target. Roughly the 25s. I've got 11.25 1R on a scalper. And then we'll be back down to 1. I've got a target of 39.75, just so you guys know. Ten's a big area. I'm going to give you that. 9.50 to 10's a big area. Yeah, 10. Yeah, Joey. I see the same thing. 10's in the way, but remember, 18's immediate if 10 breaks. 16's immediate. 15. Sorry. Come on, break it for Daddy. Ooh, there's the seller. But 10's a big area. 10 to Joey's got 10.75 to 12. Yep. I see it too. Damn. Oh, they just want to collect. I see what they're doing. Nice try.
Order submitted.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Hey, 175 again. Mm. Oh, and oh.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Very choppy. You have to stand resolute. Okay, you have to understand, like you have to say to yourself, okay, which way are we going? And the pullbacks aren't going to shake me. Now, which way are we going? Well, yes. I'm going to go off that VPOC of the last bar. There we go. 03 out from 98.25. 03 out. It's the VPOC of the prior bar. Oh. So leg sweep out. And I still have an 11.25 1R. Now think about it, guys. Some of you with a small account, you're like, well, where could I trade? Okay. Well, I just swept the leg at 91.25. Did you? Right. That's the clearest trade if you have a small account. If you're looking for a long, right? Now this is very muddy waters. We're at VWAP, so be careful. This isn't prime trading. At all. There's nothing easy about what we're looking at here. Oh, 175 on your 2-minute chart.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
That leg sweep was gas. Anyone take the leg sweep? 8 and a quart. You smoked them like a pack of cigarettes if you did, guys. Remember, all they were doing was just running stops. Okay, you have distant targets of 25 and 40. There's no way we get there. Wink, wink. Damn, 2 ticks from my target again. Are there a lot of stops above 12, Joey? Okay, either lots of stops or we gotta run, or it's gonna sweep it instantly. Get ready, lock in. Okay, there's 11 quarts, guys. We're back down to 1. We're back down to 1. We're back down to Juanes Edición. There you go. That was a big one. That was a good one. That was Dwight. Very green. Mucho. 2,800 in 2 different accounts. Let's go. 2,700 in 2 different accounts. Okay, notice the 15-minute FVG. Thank you. Got to get through that. Right about 13. Uh-oh, sellers. This tape's going a little too fast. Uh-oh, 10 Rangers. Uh-oh. Where does this say sell there?
Order filled. Order submitted.
15. 15 quick. 15 the easy way. Come on. Uh, 1775 is 2R. 1775 is 2R. Uh, 1825 is 2R on your 5-minute.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Got him. Remember, 0175. Yo. 1775. T2. I added on that one. Had to add to that one. Yep. Target 3975. $300 at 20. Okay, 5 minutes got to go now. Okay, sticky spots are 175, 1075, 12, 15.
Order submitted. Order filled.
$18.
Order submitted.
So 3 range. So 3 range is 9. 10. It's 10. Oh, we're getting a deal at 10.
Order filled.
Stop is 7. It's leaning a little heavy on the 10 range, so I'm just going to take...
Stop filled.
Oh, yep, I'll take the stop out on that one. Gladly. I'm in the line. Thanks, Robert.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order filled. Order submitted.
9.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Ooh, this one's starting to fail on me here. Uh-oh. Yeah. I may have stayed my welcome a little too long. Come on, 01.
Blue bar, 1
That's weird
minute
because the
chart.
average price looks so terrible, but it's actually not a great price. 01.25 out from 98.25. Next target 09 from the leg sweep. Tape's looking heavy. Let's see what they do with it. I have an add at 02, but I have a stop at 93.25 as well. These are big boy trades, guys. They're trapping anyone underneath the 5. I'm going to say that again. They're trapping anyone underneath
Pink
the
bar,
5.
10 range chart.
Bang!
Order canceled.
Yellow bar alert.
One left for 39.75. One left for 39.75. Suck it. We're going to pass this account in one fucking trade. $39.75 final target. 25.25 was the next tee. You see the trade, right? Right here on the 15-minute. Look at the armpit up there. You guys saw it was choreographing what it was doing, right? You saw them accumulating. Ladies and gentlemen,
Pink
let me
bar,
just show
10
you.
range chart.
See this yellow line right here inside of this pink box? Just ponder that for a minute, please. Thank you. Wow, we just came back hard. Come on.
Target filled. Order submitted.
Come on, 26. Oh, did it not? How is it? Wait. Wait, how am I not still long? I'm supposed to still be long one contract. What happened?
Order canceled.
I did not get my target of 39.75.
Order filled.
Okay, now we have 41.50. I still have a target of 39.75.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order filled.
Pink
Okay, remember
bar,
your
10
your
range
line
chart.
on close still looks like perfect lines, right? So 16.50.
Order submitted.
Trying to add it 16.50. Don't think that that's my actual average price, folks. Somehow I went flat somehow when I still had a target of 39.75. Let's go, you front run bastard. Let's go, Robert. Welcome back to the green side. Just remember, one red day don't mean shit. I got smoked on Friday, guys. One red day don't mean shit. I got smoked on Friday. Now you see that I have a target of, oh, you can't see the targets, of 39.50, 41.50. My target is 39.50 because that's the target on the 15-minute FVG. And then 54 is T2. This account doesn't need that many points. It only needs up to 41.50 to pass. You guys are seeing it live. You got a 20 live, a 5-minute 20.
Pink bar, 10.
Order submitted.
Target on that's 43. Oh my God, did I just miss it? There it is.
Order submitted.
31.50.
Order filled.
Yellow bar.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, I have an add order at 20 and at 1650. 10 range stopped out. I've got a yellow 10 range. So does it get me into my, there's my ad. Oh yeah. Now bring it upwards. Wow, this is an expensive downtick. Come on. $24.75 is that target. Come on. One more time. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Yep, they got me.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Yep. That's going to do it for me, guys. Yeah, these fucking drawdowns are stupid, man. I'll be real with you guys. These fucking drawdowns are fucking bullshit, man. I just lost that account plus $2,000. Yeah. That's gonna do it for me, guys. I'm not doing shit. I'm fucking done. That was enough to fucking piss me off. That just made me lose the account. The eval account. Go fuck yourself. That's absolutely fucking amazing. I'm not buying another fucking eval. Fuck you. Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. $300 from passing it. Yeah, $300 from passing it. I know a whole bunch of you guys just got smoked. You're just not fucking typing it in. How many of you guys just got smoked on that downtick? Look at that. Here comes your targets, guys.